Look like a baby manatee. Like a mama. Oop, here they come. Here comes a little one. Howdy. Hammock. We made it. All right, welcome back to Fish Outdoors. We're back out here at Fort DeSoto today after a storm just went through. So we got Laura today and our little scooter, Charles. Somebody said there's nothing biting right now, but we are a little bit early. The major feeding time is coming up in the next couple hours. So we still got some time to get ready for that and see if anything's biting today here at Fort DeSoto. Ooh, skipjacks come up just then. Early part of June right now, so still not too hot yet. Hopefully we'll get some fish today. Sounds like, ooh, dolphins back, something. Yep, we're gonna be throwing the, what is it, the gotcha plug today. We're gonna start out with that. There is some bait in there. Oh yeah, there's some big bait. Huge. We don't really like those big bait, but I'll have to use them for bait, cut up bait for snapper, and maybe snapper down here today. Oh yeah, those are pretty big. No small dudes. Not too many people out today, but there's still a few out here. It's time to catch some bait. I'm gonna throw right down here. We're just gonna catch a few of them. They look kind of too big for a mac, but maybe cut them up for snapper. Let's see. Nothing on this side. Bunch of big ones. Then we got a few bait that we need. The big suckers, man, they're big. Probably good for snook fishing, but not for what we need today. But the birds are here too, trying to eat some of the bait. All right. Got you some bait. They're huge though.
Yeah, they're big enough to take home to eat.
Yep, they're good eating size. All right, we got some bait. Got some big ones. We're gonna chop them up in little pieces. Throw it out there, maybe snapper, trout, something like that should bite. What is that? Some kind of cap. Okay. Throw the gotcha plug starting out because there's no small bait for Matt. So we got right here, 40-pound test. Throw it out. Oh yeah, first cast. First cast. See if anything's out there. Okay, everybody's got bait out. Charles got a nice big chunk of bait on there. Laura's got something out. She's got the cut bait out too. And I've got the gotcha plug jigging that. Dolphin already has showed up, so not great. Tide's still moving in a little bit. Pretty high tide. because of the full moon. So we'll see. Anything is gonna bite today. Let's try this side a little bit. Nothing's happening on that side. Man, there's some bait. Big, huge bait. Something is down there chasing it though. It's free line, a piece of cut bait with no weights, just letting it drift down and then just feed lines till it keeps going down. Then we're gonna go up to where the rocks are. Usually there's some snapper down there, so that's the trick right now.
Squid won't stay on the hook, so
And we had a bite out there, but it's a little bit far out, so we're gonna keep on feeding that bait with no weights on it though. That's the key. The current's not too strong right now. It's almost at the high tide. So as long as we can keep that bait on the bottom, we may catch something. Hoping there'll be some snapper down there. That bubbler is pretty loud. About to turn that thing off. Oh, nibbling on it. Something's nibbling on it.
Probably a big.
Could be.
Oh, crap.
Could be a snapper. I'm hoping it's a good sized snapper. Oh, they're on there right now. Chewing on it. Yep. Gone. Bait gone. That's a bigger fish. Oh, it's a snapper. Good snapper. Snapper. Good size snapper.
yeah, big one, yeah.
Big snapper. Yeah, look at that. Oh, I told you snapper time over here. Look at that. Monster snapper. Show you that snapper today. That's a keeper size. There we go. Keeper size. We're gonna keep this guy. Oh, there goes another bite. Another bite, kind of like in the same spot. Snapper zone. Yeah, that bubbler is way too loud. Ooh, can't hardly. Okay. Another one, another snapper, another good sized snapper. Oh yeah, buddy. There we go. Yes, sir. Another fat dude. I would say that's a keeper size. It looks kind of small though, but it's probably a keeper. I don't know though. We may throw him back in. It's a little bit on the small side. We're gonna let him go. Yeah, it's a little tiny dude. Fat though. We've been eating. Chunky. Laura's catching bait with the sabiki rig. She's happy to try to catch some bait. She was getting a little nibbles over here, but nothing's taking it. Got a trout, little trout. Haha, yeah, buddy. Little trout right there.
Huh.
Chomping on some bait down there. We'll let this guy go. Oh, he's not gonna make it. Oh, he might make it. He made it. Some guy caught a shark. How's he gonna bring that up without a? Oh, yep, it's a pretty good sized shark. Nice shark. Yep, we had a couple of snappers, and that's about it right now. Nothing's biting. We are coming into our major feeding time, though, so I think anything's gonna happen. It's gonna happen soon. Hoping some Macs or Jacks or something come through here. give us some action. But right now, things are slow. Slow, slow, slow. Oh,
What was it?
mackerel.
I thought it was. Oh, no.
Just caught a mac, and dolphin didn't even want to eat it. I don't know. It's kind of strange. He went right by him and he didn't even try to go eat it. So I tried to bring it in and it came off. So I'm going to throw the gotcha plug right now. Since I've caught a mac, maybe they might be coming in. See if it wants to eat that. The tide is about to change, so we're gonna try to switch sides and give it maybe another hour, maybe at most 2, and then we're gonna call it a day today. Whoa, look at that! What is that? Snook or cobia? Tarpon? Something huge. Whatever it was, it's big. The tide's not, whoa! Oh, did you see that one? Unbelievable.
Took my tanker, my hook.
Yay! Had a dolphin on for a second. That was pretty exciting. Some action anyways.
Might want to check your bait, Laura.
Oh, okay. Yep, got my bait.
Yeah, it was moving. Tide's moving a little bit. Could be a good sign. No wind. And no bites, so I was thinking we'd give another 15 minutes or so. I don't know, the tide's not moving much right now. That's the problem. Not a great fishing day today. One of our worst days. Yep, no max. Only had one on today. That was it. So max are not here today, anyways. Laura, you caught a pinfish today? Is that all? That's all? Pinfish. One little pinfish. And Charles, skipjack, and what else? You got some, oh yeah, you got some greenbacks using the sabiki rig. Yeah, he found the sabiki rig in the garbage and he took it out, put it together, and caught some bait. So I caught a mackerel, but it came off, and then a couple snappers. That's it for today. Not that good. Not very good at all. It's getting hot too, so it's probably not gonna get any better. Yep, we're gonna wrap it up for today. So until our next fishing adventure, hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. Dolphins have disappeared too. Guess there's no fish, so they're gone. Bait just hanging around under the pier. But I don't really see much anything going on. Gotcha plug, didn't produce today. But there wasn't much mac hanging around today, so maybe next time.